Welcome back to Asian Garden at Table. Today we're going to be planting these bamboo plants over by our pond. My wife, Regine, who you all know and love, insisted that we needed to have bamboo plants. And not just the little ones, the big ones.
You support the idea of having bamboo, and you love bamboo.
I support my wife and I love to eat bamboo, so I agree with her that growing these bamboo plants is the right thing to do. So we looked around for a long time to find the right bamboo, and my wife found on Craigslist someone giving away their bamboo plants because they were growing crazy all over their fence. So we went and we harvested 2 of these large sections of the base of the plant, and then we put them in soil to start them. So you see we planted them in a pot and used soil and just let the roots grow out. When we got them, they had a section of these root segments coming out at the base where we had cut them. So we just buried them in the soil and kept them wet so that those roots could grow into the soil. And then after they did, you see they started to grow branches off of that section that we had cut. And then you see here, they're starting to grow the small bamboo plants off the sides. So these fresh bamboo roots that you see growing up here are going to be new bamboo trees. And each one of those will then send out more new shoots, which is what we'll get to eat.
Probably need to wait for another 1 or 2 years before we can eat the bamboo shoot.
Yeah, but still, you'll never have it if you don't get started, right? And that's the whole thing about gardening, right? You got to start if you want to get the result. It may take some time, but a little bit of patience and a little bit of effort, you can get exactly what you want.
Mm-hmm. So what are we going to do today with the bamboo plant?
Today we're going to put these bamboo plants over by the pond. We're going to dig a couple of holes over by the pond and plant them in the ground so they continue to grow.
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Get it out.
Get it out.
Oh, it come out easier than I thought.
Get the roots.
Let me see.
Do we need to cut those roots?
No, don't cut it.
So it's not root bound? No?
Don't cut it.
Okay.
First bamboo in. And wait for them to grow.
It's not heavy. Good? Or more?
That's good. It's okay a little bit deep.
Yeah. Here. Roll a little bit, loosen it up.
second one in. We're gonna have a lot of bamboo shoots, honey. This thing grow a lot.
I know, they grow crazy. That's why the person who was getting rid of it wanted it gone.
Yeah. Well, also because they don't eat bamboo shoot. They don't trim it. They don't maintain it.
Right, and
So
they grew
let it grow whatever they want.
And they grew it on their fence line.
Yeah. That's a perfect hole for a perfect bamboo, honey.
I'm gonna get some water from the pond. Don't catch any fishes.
Get closer. So we need to add some water in it. Make sure the dirt around the bamboo roots have enough water so the roots can grow out. Cover it up. So we're gonna add more water. Make sure the dirt will settle down around the plug. We got some dry dirt over the wet dirt, so it will maintain the moisture underneath. The first bamboo done. We can always add more dirt on the bamboo roots if we want. Second one, water. Make sure the plug have enough water. This hole is much bigger. Here we go. One more. Bamboo likes a lot of water.
That's why we're putting it next to the pond.
Yeah, especially in Florida. It's consume a lot of water in summertime. If it has enough water, it will keep producing shoots here, so we can pick it all year round. Okay.
So it's a hot, sweaty summer day here in Florida, but we got those 2 bamboo plants in the ground. We're going to be done for today because we're going to stop lunchtime and go home and pack some more vegetable seed, fulfill your orders, fulfill your dreams. Remember to subscribe and share, and shop AsianGardenToTable.com for all your vegetable seed and woks and cooking utensil needs. Thanks for watching.